Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Volkswagen EuroVan. This 3-door minivan has a 6-cylinder, 2-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.